Mark Millson from Excellence Auto Collision. We're working with Porsche Centre North Toronto on this restoration challenge. Something that our staff is really excited about here at Excellence Auto Collision is we get to work on brand new vehicles such as the 2021 Targa that's going to be coming out. But we also have the opportunity to look at Excellence heritage as well as Porsche's heritage and an opportunity to restore these beautiful vehicles back to showroom condition. We'll bring it into our estimating bay where we will diagnose the body, making sure that the substrate of the vehicle has not been previously worked on so that we can properly diagnose and repair plan the vehicle for refinishment. During this process, we will be looking at seals, moldings, nameplates that may need to be replaced because they are not able to be reinstalled after being removed on the vehicle. We'll also work with our paint manufacturer that is recommended by Porsche, which is the Glazerith 90 line paint we'll be putting on this car, on the best way to seal the substrate to make sure that the new technology will adhere properly with the original factory finish on the car. This Targa is something that is very special to our staff because it's something that, as our staff reminisces about their youth, we all watched Car and Driver, read Car and Driver magazines and watched episodes of this car blazing around the racetracks, and we would love the opportunity to work with Porsche North Toronto, bringing this vehicle back to its glory days. Our motto is fix it right the first time, and that is so important on a restoration project because you want to make sure that when you're reassembling this vehicle, we need to make sure that all of the components are on hand and are ready to be installed on the car so we can get it fixed in a timely manner, but also in a quality repair. So that is why the diagnosis portion of any restoration is almost the most important part of it, where you're actually coming up with a repair plan, purchasing the product, purchasing the factory Porsche parts that we're going to be putting on the car. All of those things are very important so that when we start working on the vehicle, it is a seamless process through body, paint, and ultimately reassembly. One benefit that we have with having such great partners in Porsche North Toronto and being a Porsche certified shop through Porsche Canada is we have direct links to Porsche catalogs. So what enables us to look up the appropriate part number and then get availability on that part right away. Stay tuned for further updates. The next stage that you'll be seeing this vehicle is in the preparation department. We'll be getting the body and the components ready for paint.